Hello, this is Keith George, and this brief tutorial will be on how to use iMovie on a Apple computer to trim and in some ways convert your edTPA video to the right format, and as I said, to trim it. So the first thing we're going to do is, I've already got iMovie open. We're going to create a new project, a movie, and then we need to import our video file that we have on our computer that we've already pulled off. It really doesn't matter, so I've just got a little sample video here that I'm going to import. And once it has imported, I'm going to drag it down to the timeline. Now remember, your video cannot be edited in the middle. It can only be trimmed. So trimming is very easy in iMovie. Simply go to the beginning of the imported clip and drag to where you want the starting point to be. And then go to the end of the clip and drag to where you want the end of the video to be. Looks like I missed it a little bit there. So let's say we needed a 30-second clip. I can drag it just to 30 seconds. So I've taken that clip that was much longer, and I can increase the size of it here a little bit. But I notice I've got it down to 30 seconds. Now, you can import several video formats and then add them to iMovie, and that's really the essence of being able to convert. So for instance, if I had a particular video format and I wanted to end up with an MP4, which is somewhat the preferred format for edTPA. If I import a .mov file, a movie file, drag it in here, whether I trim it or not, and now I go up to export it to a file, it is going to result in an MP4 file. So I give it a title, I can give it a description. If I don't give it a description, I at least want to take the description out. The resolution, I certainly don't want it any higher than 740. I probably want to lower that down. And the quality, I'm going to drop down to medium. And here's the compress. We want faster rather than better quality. And so when I do next, it's going to tell me where it's going to put it. And I do save, and up here in the corner, it will take it a few minutes, but you'll see a little progress bar as it saves that video, and there you can see it start to change now. And this is a short little clip, so it shouldn't take very long. But what it's doing is it's saving the clipped version, the trimmed version of your clip, and it is converting it to the MP4 format. So when it finishes, it's going to give us a message that it's done. There it is. I'm going to tell it to show, and now you see that it is in MP4 format and is on my computer. But it's that simple. Simply import your media, drag it to the timeline, drag the edges to trim your clip, and then export it to a file, and you're all set. Thanks for watching.